That night, back in our dugout, we heard them singing carol and singing it quite beautifully. It was still next silent night. Our voice gave them a rousing chorus of while Safford watched. We exchanged carols for a while and then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. Please turn the page, my dear student. Dearest Connie, by Christmas time next year, this war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. We shall be together again soon, I am sure of it. Your loving Jim. My dear student, the second part has been completed. Now we starting the third part of this chapter. Third, I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. I drove into Bridport, just a few miles away. I drove into Bridport, just a few miles away. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beach was. House number 12 turned out to be nothing. What a worn out cell. The roof gaping, the windows boarded up. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of a Mrs. Macpherson. Oh, yes, said the old man in his slippers. He knew her well, a lovely old lady. He told me, a bit muddle-headed, what at her age she was entitled to be. Why not she? 101-year-old, she had been in the house when it caught fire. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. She used candles rather than electricity because she always got her out just in time. She was in nursing home now. He told me Burlington House on the Dorchester Road on the other side of town. I found Burlington House nursing home easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway and a lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with a lopsided angel on top. I said I was a friend come to visit Mrs. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. The matron had a hat on too, and mine seemed happy enough to see me. She even offered she even offered me a mince pie. She walked me along the corridor. Coriander means धनिया होता, लीव्स होती है. Corridor. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others. She told me she rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. She has no family, no one visit, so I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. She took me into a conservatory with wicker chairs and potted plants all round and left me. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands folded in her lap. She had silver white hair pinned. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy one. She was gazing out at the garden. "Hello," I said. She turned and looked up at me vacantly. "Happy Christmas, Connie," I went on. "I found this. I think it is yours." As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. I opened the tin box and gave it to her. That was the moment her eyes lit up with recognition and her face became suffused with a sudden glow of happiness. I explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening for a while. My dear friend, turn the page. She said nothing, but stroked the letter tenderly with her fingertips. Suddenly, she reached out and took my hand. Her eyes were filled with tears. "You told me you did come home by Christmas, dearest," she said, "and here you are, the best Christmas present in the world. Come closer, Jim dear, sit down." I sat down beside her and she kissed my cheek. "I read your letter so often, Jim. Every day I wanted to hear your voice in my head. It always made me feel you were with me, and now you were back. You can read it to me yourself. Would you do that for me, Jim dear? I just want to hear your voice again." I did love that so much, and then perhaps we shall have some tea. I have made you a nice Christmas cake, marzipan all around. I know how much you loved marzipan. Michel Morpurgo. My dear friend, the reading of this chapter has been completed. Next part I will send in next video. Okay, have a nice day.